Today's training is a curriculum deep dive. Digital skills come alive. Hardware, software, hands-on way. Learning tools we use each day. Coding basics, media too. Creative tasks we learn to do. Problem solving step by step. Building skills with confidence through collaboration. Practice and care. We learn to plan, create and share. Every lesson shapes our sight, preparing us for what is right.
We're building capabilities through ICT. Skills for life, for workforce society. From ideas to innovation, powered by tech and education. So we proudly say, we train today.
We transform tomorrow. This capability building sharpens what we know. Advanced skills help us grow. Systems, networks, projects planned. Applying knowledge hand in hand. Digital ethics, safety too. Responsible tech in what we do. Analyzing, creating more. Opening every future door. With critical minds and values clear. We face the future without fear. Equipped with skills, prepared to lead. Ready to succeed, ready to proceed.
We're building capabilities through ICT. Skills for life, for workforce society. From ideas to innovation, high by tech and education. So we proudly say,
We train today. We transform tomorrow. Not just tools, not just screens, but shaping minds and future dreams. Productivity, creativity, learning for the real world reality. We're building capabilities, here we stand. ICT skills shaping every plan. Through TLE learning, strong and true, we know what we can say and do. We're bird empowered, digitally wise, the future is ours, we're ready to rise. Visual arts, computer system servicing, telecommunications, and computer programming. TLE, ICT, we lead the way. Learning today, stronger tomorrow, every day.
we're building capabilities through ICT. Skills for life, for workforce society. From ideas to innovation, powered by tech and education. So we proudly say, we train today.
We transform tomorrow. Oh,
We transform tomorrow. Oh, we transform tomorrow. Oh, we transform tomorrow. Oh, we transform tomorrow.
In every classroom, lights are shining bright. Teachers learning, shaping minds for flight. New ideas, new ways to teach today. Guiding students in a digital way. Revised curriculum stronger than before. Skills that open every future door. Together we rise, we understand. Empowered minds across the land. Hands on keyboards, hearts aligned. Building knowledge one step at a time. We're building tomorrow, starting today. In TLE, ICT, we lead the way. Grades 9 and 10, ICT of reaching fuels our unity. From hardware tools to software design, we shape the future line by line. Teachers training, sharing their best, adapting fast to every test. Curriculum renewed with care, preparing learners everywhere. Knowledge shared is power found in every class, in every town. We're building tomorrow.